Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my new tutorial. In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the cache memory of the Pinterest app on an Android device. Cache memory is temporary memory used to store data for faster access to the application or website. Clearing the cache memory can improve the app's performance and free up space on your device. Without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is enter Settings. Then, scroll down, find the Caps option, and tap on it. After that, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on a search to immediately find the Pinterest app. In the search bar, type Pinterest, then tap on the app. Now, scroll down and select the Storage option. And finally, tap on a Clear Cache at the bottom right of the screen. That's it. You have now cleared the cache memory of the Pinterest app. Very easy and simple. Like this video if it was helpful to you, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.